Saidi.
Busy pa. Surprise sa kanya.
Mommy. My Seth, my baby. Today, you are now 7. But it seems like only yesterday that I held and cuddled you in my arms. You were amazing. So tiny, perfect, and such a gift from God. I named you Seth from the Bible that means unappointed. And Aldrich is taken from mine and your dad's name. Each day, I have been more amazed by you as you have grown. The owl has never worn off. You're amazing. More amazement in the unfolding gift of who you are. More amazement that God in His graciousness trusted me with the gift of being your mother. Today, after 7 years of looking back, I cannot help but smile. It is a feeling of fulfillment beyond words. Although I am not sure if I am a great mother, I feel that I have done some justice to the role. You won't be able to understand this letter today, but someday when you're ready, I hope you will find some wisdom and value. All the things that I'm doing is all for you. Ben, listen. Every milestone of yours was a kind of personal victory for me. As years passed, things started out to get very challenging, and sometimes I found myself in a very difficult situation. I have agonized over many decisions I had to make when it comes to your future. I may be miles far away now because I want to give the best that this world can give you. This is all for you and your own good. I have had many arguments with your dad, but in time we learn to parent as a team. We still have differences of opinion, but have learned to listen to each other. You have tough mommy nurse, but I was affected the most when you were sick. Flu, ear infection, visits to the doctor, sleepless nights, antibiotics, and shots. Now I have learned to take many things in my stride and deal with a calm mind. The one thing that helped me tremendously through the toughest of times was your voice over the phone and smiles at your pictures on Facebook. That 1,000-watt glow made me forget everything and realize it was all worth it. I am still worth every single day because I am not there present to look after you. And I'll miss being able to call you and tell you I love you all the time. But you know how much I care and I can never say it enough. I am not a perfect mother, but I know one thing that I don't regret is having you in my life. I am honored to be the one who saw your first step, your first smile, who taught you English you started at your 8 months of age. There is so many things that I've watched you do that was just a surprise to me. I know that you will go far in this life. You deserve all of this, though it's really hard for mommy not to be present on your 7th birthday. But rest assured that I am always here to support you in any way. You are my heart, my soul, my life, and my world. I love you, my son, very much. And thank you for the 7 years work calling me. Always be a good boy. Follow your dad. Do your homework. Take care always when playing. Don't forget to pray always. Remember that you will always be loved no matter what. I love you, Mommy.